They don't want you to know this. It's just last week on GadgetVerse. We exposed Apple's plan to shake up the smart TV industry with the 2026 Apple TV and its brand new Home OS. But that was only the surface. What's happening right now behind closed doors at Apple Park is far more disturbing and far more powerful. There's a feature so controversial that Apple's own legal team is reportedly suppressing leaks. This isn't about movies or smart homes anymore. Apple is quietly turning your living room into a full-scale health monitoring station. The consequences could redefine privacy forever. This is the missing puzzle piece that finally explains why Apple is building the A19 chip. Internally, the project is rumored to be called Project Vitality. For years, Apple has been obsessed with transforming consumer electronics into medical tools. The Apple Watch already tracks heart rate, detects falls, and performs ECG scans. But it has one fatal limitation. You have to wear it. Project Vitality removes that requirement entirely, according to multiple leaks. The 2026 Apple TV will include millimeter wave radar sensors, the same class of technology used in military systems and autonomous vehicles. While you're sitting on your couch watching a movie, the Apple TV could be silently tracking your breathing patterns, heart rate variability, blood flow, and stress levels. No cameras, no physical contact. Just invisible radar waves bouncing off your body and translating movement into biometric data. The implications are massive. Your Apple TV could detect an irregular heartbeat mid-movie and alert you before symptoms appear. It could identify early stroke indicators through abnormal breathing. It could monitor long-term stress patterns and recommend lifestyle changes. This isn't science fiction. The technology already exists. Apple is simply waiting for regulatory approval and the right moment to unleash it. But here's where things get uncomfortable. These sensors don't just detect health data. They can determine how many people are in a room, identify individuals based on biometric signatures, track sleep habits, and monitor daily behavior. Apple claims all data stays encrypted on device. But history has taught us that promises from tech giants don't always age well. The real question isn't can Apple do this, it's should they. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Insurance companies. Health insurers are desperate for real-time biometric data. There are growing rumors that Apple is exploring partnerships where users receive lower insurance premiums in exchange for sharing Home OS health data. Sounds great until your data shows you're stressed, inactive, or unhealthy. What happens then? Higher premiums? Denied benefits? This is the dystopian future hiding beneath Apple's polished marketing. And that's not all. A19 chip is also laying the groundwork for something that could destroy the gaming industry as we know it. Apple is building a hybrid gaming system, where games run locally on the Apple TV with console-level graphics, but when extra power is needed, processing seamlessly shifts to Apple's cloud with near zero latency. You get cloud gaming power without cloud gaming lag. Sony, Microsoft, and Nintendo should be very nervous. The real bombshell is cross-device continuity. Start a game on your Apple TV, pause it, pick up your iPhone, and continue instantly fully optimized for mobile. On the train, at work, anywhere. When you return home, the game transfers back to your TV automatically. No menus, no loading screens. Just pure ambient computing. You're no longer playing on a device, you're playing inside the Apple ecosystem. Developers are already panicking. Home OS threatens to turn Netflix, Disney, and every major streaming service into faceless content suppliers inside Apple's interface. Their branding disappears. Their control disappears. Apple controls discovery, recommendations, and user experience. Worse, leaks suggest Apple may demand a permanent cut of all streaming revenue flowing through Home OS. That's not just disruption, that's domination. Pricing leaks confirm Apple's true ambition. The base 2026 Apple TV is expected to launch at $299. With a $449 premium model featuring advanced health sensors and expanded storage, Apple isn't competing with Roku anymore. They're competing with game consoles, smart home hubs, and even healthcare platforms. One box to rule your living room? Man, maybe your body. Here's the timeline. Developer previews at WWDC 2026. Public beta in September, full launch in November, just in time for the holidays. The only wild card is regulation. If health approvals are delayed, Apple may ship Project Vitality disabled, activating it later through softwares just like they did with Apple Watch ECG. Make no mistake, the 2026 Apple TV isn't just a product. It's a Trojan horse. Entertainment is the gateway. Control is the destination. Health, gaming, smart homes, and personal data all folded into one seamless ecosystem. This future is coming, whether you want it or not. The only question left is who controls it. And Apple is betting that you'll choose them. If you want to stay ahead of every leak, every rumor, and every insider detail before the mainstream media catches on, subscribe to GadgetVerse now. The future isn't loading, it's already built. You're just deciding when to reveal it.